Good morning, children. Already we have studied what is atmosphere. Okay, what is atmosphere? The air surrounded the Earth's surface. Okay, the blanket of air or the envelope of air surrounding the Earth is called the atmosphere. Also, we studied there are different types of gases present in the atmosphere, and the largest quantity of gas is present in the atmosphere is nitrogen. Then oxygen is available, carbon dioxide, water vapor, dust particles, and all other gases like argon, neon, etc., which are also present in the atmosphere. So today we are going to study about the structure of the atmosphere, or the layers of the atmosphere. As you can see on the board, these are the different layers of the atmosphere. Our atmosphere is mainly divided into 5 types of layers. 5 layers are there. Okay, so we can see from the Earth's surface. This is the surface of the Earth: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. These are the 5 layers of the atmosphere. So we will study about detail about these different layers. We know that the first layer, which is very close to the Earth's surface, is the troposphere. The first layer is the troposphere, that is very close to the Earth's surface. Why troposphere is important? Because it is very close to the Earth's surface. Okay, and we can find almost 13 kilometers. This is not exactly 13, approximately 13 kilometers from the Earth's surface is the region of troposphere. Troposphere extends up to 13 kilometers from the Earth's surface. The air which we breathe, oxygen, it is found here. Okay, in the troposphere, oxygen is available. Almost all the weather conditions taking place, the rainfall, fog, hailstone, etc., can be visible in the troposphere only. Okay, all the weather conditions, weather phenomena takes place in the troposphere. The second layer is the stratosphere, extends up to 50 kilometers. Okay, the height of the stratosphere on the second layer is the stratosphere is up to 50 kilometers. Here we cannot find the clouds or the weather changes. Okay, weather phenomena doesn't change in the stratosphere, so that we can find aeroplanes are flying in this layer. Also we can see the ozone layer. Ozone layer also is found here, which protects us from the harmful radiation of the sunlight. Okay, so stratosphere also is important because in this layer we cannot find any weather changes. Weather phenomena is stable here. Okay, so here in these regions, the stratosphere is free from clouds, and other weather conditions may not be found here, so that aeroplanes generally fly in the stratosphere. Aeroplanes fly in the stratosphere. Also ozone layer, which is the harmful rays, ozone layer protects us from the harmful effect of the sunrise. Okay, now here coming to the third layer of the atmosphere is the mesosphere. Okay, the mesosphere is the third layer of the atmosphere, and almost lying above the stratosphere. Mesosphere lies above the stratosphere, third layer of the atmosphere. Its height is about 80 kilometers. From the Earth's surface, about 80 kilometers is the height of the mesosphere. One important thing is here, meteorites. You might have seen in the night sky when you observe something flying in the sky, which burns, okay, in the sky itself. So meteors or the meteorites we can find burning out in the mesosphere. The meteorites which are coming to the Earth's surface, if it comes and falls on the Earth's surface, it will be destroying the Earth's surface. So that meteorites will be burnt out in the mesosphere before reaching the Earth's surface, or before entering the Earth's surface, and they will be burnt in the mesosphere. So that is also an important layer. So the third layer of the atmosphere is the mesosphere. Now coming to the thermosphere. Thermosphere is also, in this layer here temperatures rises, okay, temperature increases here very rapidly according to the height. When we are moving upwards in the thermosphere, temperature can be increasing very speedily, okay. It extends about 80 to 400 kilometers. Thermosphere extends from 80 to 400 kilometers. The height of the thermosphere is 80 to 400 kilometers. Here, this is important for that radio waves are radio transmission takes place. Here, radio waves are transmitted, are reflected back to the Earth's surface in this layer. Radio waves are reflected back to the Earth's surface in this layer. Now coming to the last layer of the atmosphere, which is called the exosphere. This is the uppermost layer of the atmosphere, and which is known as the exosphere. So in this layer there is a thin air also, light gases like helium and hydrogen also floating to the surface from here. So this is the last layer or the fifth layer of the atmosphere. Let us see here once again troposphere, which is about 13 kilometers, very close to the surface of the earth. All the weather phenomena, weather conditions taking place here, and clouds, rainfall, fog, etc. are found here. Second layer is the stratosphere, about 50 kilometers height. Stratosphere, aeroplanes are flying in this layer only. Also you can find the ozone layer here, which protects us from the harmful rays of the sun. And coming to the mesosphere, that is about 80 kilometers. That is the third layer of the atmosphere is the mesosphere. Meteorites are burnt in this layer only. Now coming to the thermosphere, that is from 80 to 400 kilometers. Okay, there is also another one part, ionosphere also is found or this region. Okay. Then next is the exosphere, is the uppermost layer of the atmosphere. Okay, it's also the fifth layer of the atmosphere is the exosphere. Tomorrow we will study about the weather and climate.